Hello aspirants, welcome to your very own channel Pretrap, where textbook theories meet actual prelims trap. So let's begin with question number 1.
Consider the following statements regarding the classification of data. Number 1. Classification is the process of arranging raw data into groups or classes according to their common characteristics. Number 2. Chronological classification arranges data according to geographical location or regions. Number 3. Qualitative classification groups data based on attributes or qualities that cannot be measured quantitatively in an exact numerical sense. Which of the statements given above are correct? And the answer is option C. 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 2 is incorrect because arranging data according to geographical locations is known as spatial classification, whereas chronological classification organizes data according to time. Question number 2 is, what is the fundamental statistical consequence of grouping raw data into a frequency distribution? Option A, complete elimination of all observational errors. Option B, substantial loss of individual specific details as individual observation lose their distinct identity in further calculations. Option C, conversion of qualitative attributes into continuous variables automatically. Option D, transformation of secondary data into primary data. And your answer is option B, substantial loss of individual specific details as individual observation lose their distinct identity in further calculations. Question number 3 is, consider the following pairs concerning types of variables. Number 1, discrete variable, a variable that can take only specified integer values and cannot jump in fractional increments. Example, number of children in a family. Number 2, continuous variable, a variable that can take any numerical value within a specified range including fractional values. Example, height, weight or temperature. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? And the answer is option C, both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 4 is, in the context of continuous frequency distributions, what distinguishes the exclusive method from the inclusive method? Option A, the exclusive method includes the upper class limit in that class while the inclusive method excludes it. Option B, in the exclusive method, the upper class limit of one class matches the lower class limit of the next class, leaving upper limits excluded. Option C, the inclusive method is only used for qualitative data classification. Option D, there is no mathematical difference in calculating class intervals between the two methods. And the answer is option B. Question number 5 is, what does a bivariate frequency distribution represent? Option A, the frequency distribution of a single variable categorized into two distinct subgroups. Option B, the simultaneous frequency distribution of two different variables. Option C, a graphical chart containing two independent vertical axes. Option D, a data set compiled by combining primary and secondary data sources. And the answer is option B, the simultaneous frequency distribution of two different variables. Example, relationship between income and expenditure. Question number 6 is, the class mark of a class interval is calculated using which of the following formulas? Option A, upper limit minus lower limit. Option B, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Option C, upper limit multiplied by lower limit square rooted. Option D, cumulative frequency divided by total frequency. And the answer is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Question number 7 is, which of the following defines the range of a data set? Option A, the ratio of the upper class limit to the lower class limit. Option B, the difference between the highest and lowest values of a variable. Option C, the sum of all observation divided by the total count. Option D, the middle value when all observations are arranged in ascending order. And the answer is option B, the difference between the highest and lowest values of a variable. Question number 8 is, why are the tally marks used during the construction of a frequency distribution table. Option A, to calculate the exact arithmetic mean without grouping. Option B, to track and count the frequency of individual observations systematically as they are scanned from raw data. Option C, to eliminate non-sampling errors completely from secondary data sets. Option D, to convert continuous variables into discrete attributes. And the answer is option B. Question number 9 is, which graphical tool is best suited for graphically locating the mode of a continuous frequency distribution? Option A, arithmetic line graph. Option B, histogram. Option C, cumulative frequency. Option D, pie chart. And the answer is option B, histogram. Question number 10 is, the intersection point of the less than ogive and more than ogive curves for a given data set provides the graphical estimate of which statistical measure? Option A, arithmetic mean. Option B, mode. Option C, median. Option D, standard deviation. And the answer is option C, median. Question number 11 is, consider the following statements regarding diagrammatic presentation of data. Number 1, diagrams and graphs appeal more to the eye and make complex data easier to comprehend at a glance than tables. Number 2, diagrams can display minute numerical details and exact individual figures with the same degree of precision as a well-structured data table. Which of the statements given above are correct? And the answer is option A, one only is correct. Statement 2 is incorrect because diagrams provide a macro level visual summary and quick comparisons. They sacrifice granular precision. Exact individual figures can only be read accurately from structured tables. Question number 12 is, when data needs to be presented to show proportion or parts of a single composite whole, which of the following diagrams is most appropriate? Option A, multiple bar diagram. Option B, pie chart. Option C, frequency polygon. Option D, arithmetic line graph. And the answer is option B, pie chart. Question number 13 is, in a complex statistical table, what is the technical function of a stub versus a caption? Option A, stubs designate column headings while captions designate row headings. Option B, stubs designate row designations or headings while captions designate vertical column headings. Option C, stubs represent units of measurement while captions represent footnotes. Option D, stubs are used exclusively for time series data while captions are used for special data. And the answer is option B. See, I know these type of questions UPSC generally don't ask, but if UPSC does these chapters, you will not face any difficulty by solving these questions. Thank you. See you in the next video.